You lot. Impulse.
We are...
wait, hold on. Should we just do a room tour? Because, alright, let's just explain to you real quickly, briefly. We had got to see 3 different rooms.
3, yeah.
3. None of them met our expectations or what we wanted. So obviously, they're in our job in X, Y, and Z, you know, YouTube, the lot. It was like, you know what? We could upgrade you to a higher floor in the other block and a bigger room.
And a bigger room.
So we was like,
so much space.
it was like, yeah, why not? So I'm gonna leave it to Mara Million, for you millionaire fans, to handle this.
Not no million no more. I'm just Mara.
LUXAFAM business.
LUXAFAM. So guys, this is our 1-bedroom apartment. To your left, you will see our open plan kitchen with our cooker. Our cooker, our electric stove cooker. We've got this at home actually. Microwave that is on the walls. Then we've got sections, our coffee maker. I think that's our Wi-Fi box up here. Obviously our fridge, freezer. Good enough space. Then to our left, we've got actually a toilet. Little mini bathroom, ensuite toilet. Washer dryer.
Okay.
Our sink. I really like this countertop area here because it faces like views, TV, you know, what's come on. Then if we move further along to our left, we have our dining area. Nice little meal for 2 with a mirror. Mirror, nice chandelier by the chandelier.
Yeah, that is a nice chandelier, you know. Oh yeah, we checked this out last time. Watch this, yeah. Watch this. You don't thought something spectacular was gonna happen.
Hi.
Okay.
So onto our open plan living room. Personally,
she hates this. But you lot, let me just put this out here real quickly. This is gonna come in handy. This is useful.
it is.
But when we're watching TV and whatnot, we've got enough space. But I understand where she's coming from. It ruins the decor.
Our living space. So I personally said I wanted to take it out when we're not using it. But I know where babe's coming from. Watching movies, Netflix and chill, you know, so for each. I get it. It brings us out to our stunning view. The KCC Tower, KLCC Tower.
That's the one, baby girl.
Yes. And then panning over to our right, we've got the KL Tower.
KL Tower, that's the one.
Yeah, that lights up at night. We're going to show you guys.
Yeah, you lot gonna see some night footage as well. Only downfall. Down there, you lot see that?
Rest in peace.
Yeah, rest in peace, man. You know.
That is the tower that we actually stayed in the last time.
Yeah, that small little baby one.
Floor. So this is quite a distance. Also, guys.
Oh
this
yeah.
is a smart TV, guys. This thing right here has Netflix, YouTube, everything. This is a Sony. We use PlayStation, but this little system is real good. We like that. That was a major key.
Surround sound on the lot. Gets loud, bass like a mofo. So what's happening in here?
And then welcome to our master bedroom. You know we need all this space, right? You know we need all that space.
Definitely.
Our big room. Also overlooking the KLCC. Still stunning views. I really like this. Always getting up in the middle of the night or morning just to breathtaking views. Major key. Obviously.
Queen.
Queen size bed.
Queen size bed on them, boy.
Sheets. And it's soft.
And you know we got that TV round too.
Of course. Got another TV. Sony. So I really believe Sony's really good, guys. I can't stress that.
Oh yeah, and they got a little phone dock.
And our aircon. And guys, they use normal plugs.
Bonus.
English plugs.
Ensuite.
And then here is the ensuite bathroom. But before we get there, is our wardrobe. Makeup, mirror.
All of that.
Our wardrobe, loads of compartments, giving us a laundry basket, a safe, extra pillows, even a coat. Iron. You know how that
Safe.
goes down.
Kelly Collin, run in here, come get y'all juice. Shit.
What happened?
You good? Shake it off. My man.
Then leading on to our ensuite. Now this is much bigger than the one that we had before.
It is, you know.
Nice bath. Obviously good use for children. I hate standing in that shower. Towels, nice big mirrors that actually have the lights both working.
That's cool, you know. I like that. That's sick.
Nice shower. So this is Fraser residence under the 188 short stay.
That's the one.
KL suites. Very nice. Look out for Jason. Ask for him.
He's popular with it.
Yeah. Welcome to our humble abode.
I hate that you use that phrase so much.
Okay, no. Welcome to our home.
Our home. Because he really sleeping, I don't know. But so, you look. Yeah, so I just wanted to take this time out, man, to shed our appreciation once again and our thank yous to everybody who has subscribed and liked our videos and is paying attention and sharing this journey with us. And sharing this journey with us. So, you already know, man, we're super stoked to be here right now.
Yeah.
Living that Malaysian life.
Malaysia.
And it's just been good, man. You know, it's been awesome, man. So, thank you lot loads, you know.
And we've got so much in store for you.
So much in store for you lot, man. You know, cinematics. We've just ordered a new drone. That drone's coming, so we're gonna have some drone footage.
Yeah.
You know, we're trying to work on getting a new camera as well. Yeah. So much good stuff is gonna be happening, man. You know?
Bigger and better.
Bigger and better. So you lot already know.
That scared me.
She is tripping. That's how much power I got. Don't like that. Let's go here. We'll just start thrashing. Ooh, hey, hold up.
Right over here.
Yo. Excuse me.
Hello.
Yeah, man. But this lighting right here, this is the one.
Oh my, thank you. I forgot about our luggage for a second.
Seriously?
Thank you. Yeah. Well, baby, backpacking like you.
Who's that?
Backpacking.
Oh snap, you say he's got the rucksack on, yeah? Yeah, man, so they've just brought over our stuff from downstairs. I hope you lot can know, like, can you lot hear the way I'm talking? Like, I'm not using my fizz and my too much because my tooth, I've got half a tooth, as you don't know. That's for a different time anyway. But